for the immune system. So guys, you can see exactly what's going on with the whole thing between yesterday and today. I show you how to wash the pineapple, get it to peel and make tea with it. So a lot of things going on with just the pineapple from yesterday. All right, so let's jump straight into it because I know you guys might got things doing. So it's not a long process neither. It's very simple. Let's look at this. And we got a lot of lemon and stuff which I'll just have right there. All right, now let's put this right here. And also remember, you can get yourself a copy of the book. This is hard cover. The hard cover is perfect for you at home. All right, yeah. So let's jump straight in it. Clean and lovely. That's ready. I'm good to go. The first thing what we're going to do, just to kick it off very quickly. I'm not going to be staying too long with you guys. No. People got things to do. Alright, so ginger. That's the first thing we're going to get. Alright, we're going to get some ginger. Alright, I'm already washed my ingredients. You know what I mean? If you guys are following me step by step out of the way, you will see the amount of things which I've been doing. Ginger, very, very important in this drink. All right, I will encourage you to use some organic ginger inside of it. So you want to put some ginger, a few pieces of ginger into your blender. As I said, if you guys are following me, you will see exactly what Chef Ricardo been doing between yesterday and today. All right, so we're going to get a lime. You don't have to use lime, you can use lemon if you got lemon. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to put one lime inside of it. It's a medium-sized lime, but we're going to just chop that inside of it. It's very good for you, and definitely it will help you. All right, I'm going to remove the skin from the pineapple, from the cucumber. All right, yeah, we're gonna remove the skin from the cucumber. All right, guys, so feel free, if you are using the Jamaican medium-sized cucumber, or I think they're a little bit smaller than these one from the European, you can you don't have to remove the skin. Yeah, this is a fresh organic cucumber I'm using. All right, right there. So I use half of our large cucumber, and yeah, that looks amazing right there so far. Lovely. Secondly, we're going to get the pineapple which we have left over from yesterday, and we're going to cut up the pineapple and put it into a blender like this. So that's the pineapple we are using. I'm just using up the last of this pineapple. It doesn't make sense. I'm going to be leaving this. I'm just going to make a large portion. Lovely. All right, so as you guys can see, that's the pineapple right here. Lovely. All right. If you're a person who are suffering from high, like you're diabetic or you have a high sugar level, my advice not to use any honey inside of it. But honey is very good if you're a normal person. Just to put a teaspoon of honey inside of it. This will help you with your gut. All right. You do not need to use coconut water. You can use regular water, but I got good organic coconut water, so I'm gonna put roughly about half cups of coconut water inside of it. All right. But this is a very good drink for the immune system. All right. Also, you can put a clove of garlic inside of it, but I just have some garlic tea. All right. But you can also put a clove of garlic inside of it. All right. Yeah, man. So that's a good one. So let's cover it up just like this. And as I said, we're not going to keep you guys too long. And we're going to make some noise. In the meantime, feel free to grab yourself one of these and support. All right. Let's blend. Excellent. All right. That was a very loud noise. I'm waiting for the silent blender, but they're taking long to make them. All right, let's pour it out. Like you guys can see. And that's the way it looks. Lovely. And then the rest, we'll pour it right here. Just like that. All right. I talk about this drink many times, and many times I make it, I share it across my whole platform just for you guys to get to understand. These are very good drink. Let's taste it. Perfect. Wow. That was amazing. Wow. Yeah, that's the best honey to use right there. I normally use that honey, but sometimes when I'm making, I just use my normal other honey, but it's also organic, and this one is from the health shop. All right, but because I make sure I ask them all the time, you see. Yeah, so that honey is one of the best you could ever eat. Good TV. Big up yourself every time, man. Nice to see you coming on the show. We appreciate it 100%. All right. Yeah.